morning, guys. It's currently 8 in the morning and we're taking off to Udine, where we're gonna go pick up my new supercar. I'm extremely excited about this. It's gonna be a long trip. I took medicines because I got a fever right now and not feeling at my best, but it's today or never, so off we go to pick up this Lotus Evora. Quanto è figa la mia Supercar invece. So guys, it's the next morning. Our battery died on us yesterday. And yeah, pretty much here it is. Okay, so now we have to find a place where to start working on this thing. We have the shop up there, but it's for bikes. Obviously cars can't access it, so we'll put something up here. Che faccio? Anyways guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. We grabbed this bad boy here inside. It's finally on the shop. It's finally finally managed getting it. Nothing's updated. We're gonna start tearing apart the whole interior of the car because they're completely in need of help. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next episode where we're actually gonna start improving this.